If you're experiencing login issues with your ABN AMRO account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Make sure that caps lock is not on and that there are no typos in your login information. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, a dated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser. An outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues. Update your browser and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the /com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues and access your ABN AMRO account successfully.